Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is KianaJWilson. I create content on here. I don't really have a niche. I just create what I feel like creating. If you really want to do something, then people can tell if you really enjoy it. But if it's something if you're doing something that you don't enjoy, people can also tell. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, in today's video, I'm doing something that I've always wanted to do. Like, I had the video on my video list for like a very long time. And when I mean like video list, I'm gonna have to list of, I have like a list of like video ideas that I keep saying I'm gonna do, but I keep pushing back. But yeah, in today's video we're gonna do something like fun, chill, relax. We're doing like a video on like my tattoos and piercings. I'm talking about like the story behind them, the pain level, all that. We're just gonna have like a fun video, like a fun chill video today. You know, nothing too serious, nothing too, not too much, never too much. Like, it's giving those vibes. So yeah, before I do time to this video, I want to start my piercings just because all my piercings are on my face. So it's kind of like, why not just do my piercings first versus my tattoos? They're like scattered all over my body. So my first piercing I'm gonna talk about is my my ear piercings. I have one piercing in my ear. I have one on each side. And you know how, like, I'm a girl, right? I mean, of course you can say I'm a girl, whatever. You know how, like, back in the day, like, not back in the day, you know how girls usually get their ears pierced when they're in the hospital, when they're babies, when they're first born or whatever? No, not me. I got my ears pierced in the 4th grade. Like, I just got my ears pierced in the 4th grade. And I remember my mama like, dang, like, when I was a baby, I wouldn't have, like, remember, me getting my ears pierced or whatever. But I'm, like, in the 4th grade, and I'm kind of, like, I know what's happening. You know what I'm saying? Like, when I was a baby, I didn't really understand what's happening, There's gonna be pain involved. I know it. I just know it. But yeah, I got my piercing done in the 4th grade. We went to, this is back when Walmart did piercings. I don't know if they still do piercings. I'm gonna look up, I'm gonna Google. Oh yeah, by the way, I like the fun thing, I like to Google like random stuff, like in the middle of the night, throughout the day. Anywho, I'm just gonna like Google like if Walmart, if they still do piercings, because back in the day I used to do piercings. And I was in like the 4th grade. I don't know when that was. I'm 25 now. I don't know how old I was. I don't know if I was like 9, 10, 11, 12. Nah, I probably wasn't 12. Anywho, yeah. Back in the 4th grade, I got my piercings done. I got my ears pierced for the first time. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I got them done at Walmart back when I used to do piercings. I don't remember the pain level, but I know it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. It was just like quick. I think they used like the piercing guns. Yeah, it was like, they used like a piercing. Hold on to this bad boy. This right here is a sign of rebellion. I tell you, rebellion. Now this joking. I'm not like, I wasn't a rebel growing up. Like, not whatever. Like, no, like whatsoever. I wasn't a rebel growing up. I actually, I think like my 11th to 12th grade year of high school, I had just like I had like an interest in like I think it was like Tumblr. I would see these piercings, like like the septum piercings. I'm like, oh, these look nice. How do I look at this? So rolling around, I think 11th grade was, no, 12th grade wasn't around. We got our senior trip. We went to Panama City, Beach, Florida, by the way. We went to like Claire's or whatever. And I found like some fake ones. They had like a Claire's in the mall. Okay, cool. Let me see. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna wear this fake one to see if I like it. To see if I like how it looks on me, to see if I like the vibe that it gives off. Not the vibe that it gives off, which, whatever. I ended up getting it. I joked with my mom, I think that night we went to Dave & Buster's. Like the same night we went to the mall, we went to Dave & Buster's. So I sent mom a picture and I was like, Mom, I got my nose pierced. She was mad. She wasn't that mad, but she was kind of mad. Freshman year of college, I remember it was fall. It was like my first semester of college. I had a homegirl that had a car. And so one day I asked her, I was like, yo, like, you want to get my septum piercing, something like that? So we go get my septum piercing. If you're in the Pine Bluff area, Pine Bluff, Arkansas, if you didn't know, I went to the University of Arkansas, Pine Bluff, UAPB. I went there. So there's like this tattoo and piercing shop called Dragonworks. That's why I got my piercing done, my septum piercing done. I get it done, it wasn't that bad. Like the balls are like really small. You see this little ball? One of these went up my nose, so he had to use another ball. But yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be at all. The pain level, I would say, was about a 7 or 8. I really want to say an 8 when it comes to my septum piercing, because not only does it kind of like sting a little, does it hurt? Of course it's gonna hurt because you're piercing through like some I think it's like tough skin right there. So you're piercing through some tough skin, but also like the like the aftercare too. I'm talking about that too, but I'm just mentioning one more thing. So when I got done, like I had the urge to sneeze for like I got in like in like midday. So like the rest of the day I had like the urge to sneeze or whatever. Like I just had the urge to sneeze. I guess like the piercing kind of messed with my sinuses or whatever. I just had the urge to sneeze. So when it comes to like healing, you know, with healing or whatever, I have to use like the what's that, Dove soap? It's like some kind of like fragrance free soap. It's like a bar. It's not St. Ives. I think it was Dove. I had to use like a Dove soap or something like that. I just had to just I would just like get like a bar of soap, rinse wet it, get like a cotton swab, and I just, you know, that's how I would clean my nose. So I had to clean my nose, and it had like a crust around it. It like the, you know, like where the piercing was, it was like a crust around the hole, the piercing hole. And I call me weird, but like the healing process, I love the healing process because one, like I love playing with like crust and stuff like that. Like I love playing with crust like that. I mean, people may say it's nasty, but yeah. But so they wouldn't like get stuck or whatever. Like if you see me moving my piercing, you see this, you see me moving this, so you know it's moving down here. So because it's moving down here, it's moving up here, it's moving in my nose or whatever. So I would do that. Like, it's like if I didn't do that, it would get kind of like stuck because, you know, it's like crust or whatever. It's like it's healing. So that would happen. That would kind of, it was like, it stung, it hurt, but it was like a satisfying hurt for me because I like having like scabs, you know, like when we were little, we used to like pick at our scabs. Like that was like right up my alley. But one thing I didn't like was the smell. Like it stunk. Like I had to make sure I kept it clean because if not, it would stink. I can't describe the smell, but it stunk. I don't want to sound like a dirty belly button. It smelled like a minute, but I can't remember like the exact smell, but it stunk. And even now, sometimes I have to like clean my piercing because I would be like, oh, my piercing stink. Like every now and then I clean it. It's been like, I just done like 6 years ago. So even now I still clean it every now and then if I kind of feel like let's clean my piercing. But yeah, that's pretty much like my septum piercing experience. If you want to how my mom reacted, I don't think she was happy about me getting my septum piercing. Well, I mean, I was in college, you know, I paid with my own money, you know. She wasn't too mad about it. She wasn't too mad, I don't think. I mean, I was at the house anyway, so I don't think she was tripping. I mean, I still stayed with her, but I was at the house when I got it done, you know. I was in college. She couldn't do too much. I could be out here doing worse. Okay, so now for my favorite part, or not. We're moving on to tattoos. So I have a total of, I believe, 4 tattoos. Let me think. I have this one, this one, this one, and this one. Yeah, I have a total of 4 tattoos. And all my tattoos are small. Like, getting tattoos is cool or whatever, but I don't like sitting there I don't like sitting there for a long time. Like, it's just like getting your hair done. When I get like braids and stuff done, I never get like small braids. I don't get big braids because, not like big braids, but I get like medium size braids because I don't like sitting there all day. You know, it's like just like getting a tattoo. I can compare it to me getting a tattoo. Like, tattoos, because my parents have the tattoos, they don't necessarily hurt me. I mean, it hurts, you know, because to me it's like metal digging in your skin or whatever it is, digging in your skin. But it's like more so irritating because like I just want it to be done. It's more so like an irritating feeling for me when it comes to like tattoos. So all that being said, I'm gonna show y'all my tattoos. So I'm gonna show y'all the first one. I think I'm gonna go on like the order that I got them in. So I'm gonna tell y'all when I got them. So this is my first tattoo. Please don't laugh. This tattoo I got, I think my 11th grade year of high school, and you can see, you can kind of tell, like this is, if you're not, you know, if you can't see that good because it's kind of faded, it's been like a little minute. It says fashion, and it's a hanger with a heart. My hanger might be a little crooked right now, but yeah, this is probably like one of my tattoos that I like really regret because it's just kind of like, I really had like a purpose behind it. Well, I kind of see why I got that tattoo because I like love fashion or whatever, and I later went on to like major in like fashion. Like my first semester of college, I hated it. I was like, yo, like I like clothes, but I hate the making of clothes. So I'm more so like fashion, like when it comes to like styling and stuff like that. Like I said, I got this my 11th grade year of high school. Instead of senior skip day, we just have to do a junior skip day. One day we all just decided on the I think it was like a Friday, on this specific Friday, to go to Greenville, Mississippi. It's in Arkansas, by the way. I stayed close by. I stayed close to Mississippi. I stay in Arkansas, but the town that I live in, Mississippi, is not that far. So we decided one day to go to Greenville, Mississippi, to go get tattoos, to go out to eat, and it's like a junior skip day. We did it. We didn't get in trouble for my cousin. He's a rapper now. I'm not gonna say like his name is like Los. What's KC Los? You can Google him. He raps and stuff. His name is KC Los. He knows this hood tattoo artist, like this hood tattoo artist from Greenville, Mississippi. So he scheduled an appointment for us. You know, he told them we was all coming through or whatever. I had in mind, I think I had to like ask my parents, like, I want to get this tattoo or whatever, like the one I have. I found it on Tumblr. I'm like, okay, I love fashion. I love this. It's different. Not everybody got it. I like this because, you know, I think this was like during that time period when everybody was getting like the same, like those little small tattoos, pointless tattoos. And here's a person with like a much bigger pointless tattoo. But anywho, I digress. So I'm like, I'm gonna get this tattoo. So I asked my mom, you know, I'm 11th grade. I think I was like 16. So my birthday is in the summer. So I asked my mom, I'm like, Mama, can I get this tattoo? You know, we going to a stand, you know, we doing senior skip day, we probably getting tattoos. She was like, nah. She's like, ask your daddy. And I was like, I'm ask my daddy. And my daddy said, yeah. So my mom was shocked. I was shocked that he said yeah too. Rest in peace to him. Love you, Dad. But yeah, so he said yeah. I ended up getting it. My mom gave me the money to get it. I think it was like $20. It was $20. So that tells you I need to know right there. I got it. It was like this is like my first tattoo. It wasn't that bad. Like my cousin Los, Kilos. Well, I don't know if he was good. Everyone knows a good name. Casey Los or whatever. He was holding my hand when I got it. And I was like, oh, it ain't that bad. It's like a video we had of me, like first getting my tattoo. And I was like, oh, it ain't that bad. Cause it was like my first tattoo. My cousin, he's tatted. Like if you know Casey Los, like he's tatted. Like he been getting tattoos for ages. Probably when he was in diapers. He probably got a tattoo when he was in diaper. Like the man's probably been getting tattoos since he was in diapers. But yeah, he held my hand or whatever, and I was like, oh, it's not that bad. And we all laughed about it. And when I got home, my mom and my sister were talking about me, bro. They was like, why would you get that? And the point I was like, man, y'all understand me. You know, I'm different. I don't understand me, this and that and the third. But now I think about it, it's like I kind of see what they were talking about. Like maybe I don't know if it's because of the way it was executed or just the fact that it was just, or just the tattoo that I chose. Like that, this is perfect tattoo. People got jokes on me at school, you know, because it was like I got from like a hood tattoo artist, and because of the way it looked. And I remember my cousin joking, saying that it was gonna turn into like a fish hook when I got older. You know, people joking and laughing. But yeah, that's like the story of this tattoo. That's like the story of that tattoo, the pain level, story time, all that behind it. By the way, it was like a 6. I got to talk about the pain level. It was about 6 for me. Just know that people have different pain levels. Like people can tolerate pain differently than other people. So yeah, I think my pain tolerance is pretty high. I went to like my first professional tattoo. My first professional tattoo. This is like my second one. This is on my ankle. I got it my first semester of college, of course, because why not? Same people with Dragon Works. I got it done. I think one of my homegirls, her friend Victoria. I had a homegirl named Mary, and it was her friend Victoria's birthday. So they invited us, you know, they invited me out to go with them. You know, they went to go get tattoos. We went out to eat at Chili's, I believe. Like if you stay in Pine Bluff, you know, like Chili's is like one of the main places that people go to. And if you want like if you want to go somewhere like better, you have to go to Little Rock. But yeah, anywho, I love this tattoo. Like I love it. I love the meaning behind it, all that. So anywho, it was like I saw it on Tumblr. It was like Kaylon. I think I'm looking on Tumblr. I think I'm looking up tattoo ideas on Tumblr. Kaylon or something. It was like Greek for beauty that is like deeper than, you know, it's like beauty that goes beyond the surface, pretty much. I'm just gonna leave like what it means right here. Beauty that goes beyond the surface. I'm like, I like this. It's cool. It's cute. You know what I'm saying? A little ankle situation going on. I get this tattoo. Yeah, it hurt. I think it was like I think I'll say it was about an 8 or a 9. Like no cap, but like I was like in excruciating pain. But I mean, it hurt. Like my ankle tattoo hurt. I mean, I guess it's like thin, like, you know, it's bones or whatever. But yeah, that ankle tattoo hurt. It hurt, most definitely. It's probably like the most painful tattoo that I have. Out of all my 4 tattoos, my ankle tattoo hurt the most. Whenever going on to like my 3rd and 4th tattoo, and I'm saying I'm doing this together because they're kind of like connected together. So like my dad passed away. This is like right here. This like my 3rd and 4th tattoos. My dad passed away unexpectedly in March of 2018. So he had the same thing that Brain Mac passed away from. It's called psychosis. We were like really, really close. And I was like, dang, this suck. Dang, this is trash. It was like so hard for me. I mean, sometimes it still is because, you know, I don't just never learn how to like really process my emotions without feeling guilty, you know, like, because growing up I would feel bad for like not getting over things at a certain time. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I'm still dealing with something like 6 months and if it still hurts me, then I feel bad about it. That makes any kind of sense. Like, I would kind of feel bad or guilty for not know how to get over things. And that's like, to get over things, you have to process things. You know, you have to let God, you have to process things, you have to let God heal you, whatever. But to do that, you know, you have to like talk about how you feel. You know, you have to like process stuff. But if you're feeling guilty about processing stuff, you know, the healing will be prolonged. That makes any kind of sense. God does get beat for ashes, but you know, you have to give the ashes to him. Period. Pooh. Ooh, that was the Holy Spirit, because I'm not going through on my own. I got this tattoo in like May of 2018. Like, I had a homeboy. I don't want to call him like a hood tattoo artist. Like, I think it's his name was N.O. or something like that. But he's from New Orleans, of course. I forgot his name. I think his name, you know, he's from New Orleans. He came down here to do some tattoos for me and my sister. I don't know what made me get like my dad's, like his outside, it's like Alpha. Then it's like his birthday and Roman numerals under it. And then on the other side it's like Omega. Sorry, I hope I'm not ashy. It's like Omega and his death date in Roman numerals. So I got that done or whatever. Oh, okay, this is cool, it's unique, it's different. It's way, you know, under my dad because we were close. So those tattoos, these didn't really hurt. It hurt, but I think only because, mind you, the last tattoo that I got was in 2015. This is 2018. This is like 3 years later. So I think I had to like kind of get used to getting the tattoo. I mean, my tattoos are spaced out anyway or whatever, but it was kind of like, it's been 3 years since I had a tattoo. I forgot how this feel. It was kind of like that, like, oh, my thing fell. I think I just forgot how it felt to get a tattoo. If that makes any kind of sense. Even though my other one spaced out, it's like I forgot, like, you know, the pain that went through, you know, the pain that went into it. But I was talking about pain tolerance. I think I gave it like an 8. I don't know, like I said, I don't know if me, you know, the time lapse has something to do with the pain. But I gave it like an 8. It was more annoying than anything. Like I told you, like it's like a scratching. No, it's like a scratching to me. A scratching. It's like somebody's like, it's like a cat scratching you. That's how I describe like getting a tattoo. Like that's my description of it. Maybe I'm just over exaggerating, or it's just completely accurate. So those are my tattoos, piercings, my pain experience with the tattoos, like my pain, story times behind them, like why I got these tattoos, piercings, all of that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in my next video. So this is the end of the video. So this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video about my pain, you know, my pain. What?